Hello students of class 9. Welcome back once again to Indrani ma'am's biology class. Hope you have read the previous chapters and today I will give you some MCQ questions from the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life, that is the cell chapter. So the first question which comes is mitochondria are found. Out of these four options, one will be correct. Where is mitochondria found? In eukaryote cells. So question number 1, option D is the correct answer, in eukaryote cells only. Who discovered the first living cell? You know very well, Leeuwenhoek. So question number 2, option B, Leeuwenhoek is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following can be made into crystal? Bacteria, amoeba, virus or sperm? Of course, virus. Viruses can be made into crystal. Option C is the correct answer, virus. Next question, who used the word protoplasm first time for living cell? This answer you know very well, Purkinje. Option C, Purkinje is the correct answer. Next question, the main constituent of cell wall is starch, cellulose, protein, none of these. Which one? Of course, cellulose. Option B, cellulose is the correct answer. Function of centriole is formation of spindle fiber, nucleolus formation, cell wall formation, cell division initiation. See question number 6, option B, there is a printing error. Nucleolus formation is something extra written here, nucleus formation. So question number 6, function of centriole is, what is the function of centriole? Of course, formation of spindle fiber. So option A is the correct answer. Which organelle is the powerhouse of the cell? You know very well, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Option B, mitochondria is the correct answer. Chromosomes are made up of nucleic acid and dash phosphorus, protein, sugar or calcium. Which one? Chromosomes are made up of nucleic acid and protein. Option B, protein is the correct answer. Next question, which organelle is considered as a suicide bag? You know very well this answer. Option number C, lysosomes. Lysosomes are known as the suicide bags. Next question, plastids which are responsible for giving colors to fruits and flowers are, which plastid out of these four is responsible for giving colors to the fruits and flowers? The chromoplast. Option D, chromoplast is the correct answer. Which of the following organelle is present in onion cell but not in human cheek cell? Which organelle is present in onion cell but not in human cheek cell? Cell wall. Cell wall is present in onion cell but not in human cheek cell. Which cell organelle plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisonous drugs? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Option C, smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisonous drugs which are entering within us or within our body. Next question, organelle without a cell membrane is, you have to name the organelle which is without a cell membrane. Which one? Ribosome. Ribosome does not have a cell membrane. Next question, Charu has completed her science chapter where she wrote some statements. She wants to know whether the statements are correct or not. Charu wants to take help from you. You see, four options are given here. Some statements have been written and she wants to know whether the statements are correct or not. Four statements are given here. Read the statements. Okay, so it will be D, smooth endoplasmic reticulum which contain ribosome and is meant for secreting lipids. This is incorrect. Okay. Next, cell theory was given by whom? Cell theory was given by Selidian and Swan. Option A, Selidian and Swan will be the correct answer. Organelle other than nucleus containing DNA is, which organelle other than nucleus contains DNA? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria or lysosome? Which one? Mitochondria. It contains DNA. Consider the following statements and choose the incorrect one. Here you have to find out the incorrect statement out of these 4. Read the statements slowly. So you have to find out which is not correct. Option D is not correct. Option D is not correct. Remaining A, B, C, all 3 are correct. Incorrect one is option D. The cell organelle involved in forming complex sugars from simple sugars are. Which cell organelle is involved in forming complex sugar from simple sugar? Golgi apparatus is responsible for formation of complex sugar from simple sugar. Find out the correct sentence. Here 4 statements are given. You have to find out the correct one. See here. Have you read all these 4 statements? Which is the correct one? You have to find out. Option A is the correct one. Enzymes packed in lysosomes are made through rough endoplasmic reticulum. B, C and D are incorrect. So the correct one is option number A. Chromosomes are made up of what? DNA, protein, DNA and protein, RNA. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and protein. Which of the following can be made into crystal? This question has already been done in the previous portion also. The virus can be made into crystal. Hope you have understood all the MCQs. Okay, till this much today. Thank you.